Allie.
And I'm Abby with RV Parts Nation. And if you're traveling in the heat of the summer, an RV air conditioner is a really important aspect to keep you and your family comfortable.
We have a wide variety of RV air conditioners and accessories,
along with popular brands like Dometic and Coleman.
We have air conditioners with 13.5 and 15,000 BTU.
We also have non-ducted and also ducted air conditioners.
Some of the accessories that we offer for your RV air conditioner include thermostats, fan blades, and switches.
So stay cool this summer and shop RV air conditioners by clicking on the link below.
Please subscribe to our YouTube channel at RV Parts Nation for more videos.
And if you have any suggestions for other upcoming videos, leave them in the comments below.
We'd love to hear.
Thanks, guys.
Bye.